guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for Walgreens to do deals. And these deals will start on July 14th to July 20th and they are easy to do deals. The first deal I'm sharing will be on Crest or Oral-B toothbrushes. They're on the deal of buy two get $3 register reward and they're on sale for $3 to $4. If you can find the toothpaste on sale for $3 or toothbrushes on sale for $3, pick up two. Both will total $6. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 3 and you get $3 register reward back, making both free. The next deal I have will be on Colgate products. They're on sale for $4.50 or $5.50 and when you buy two, you get $4 register reward. Pick up two of the toothpaste or two of the toothbrushes, it don't matter. Picking up two will total $9 if you find the ones priced at $4.50. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 5 and you get $4 register reward back. And that will make both just $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal is on Dove body wash. They're on sale for $7 each and when you buy two, you get $3 register reward. Pick up two of the Dove body washes. Both will total $14. According to the Flip app, we will get 7 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 7 and you get $3 back, making both just $4 or $2 each. The next deal I have will be on Olay body wash. They are part of the buy 3 get $5 register reward and they're on sale for $7 each. Pick up 3 and the 3 will total $21. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to 16 and you get $5 back and that will make all 3 just $11 or $3.67 each. The next deal will be on Head and Shoulder hair care. They're on sale for $6 to $11 and when you buy two, you get $3 register reward. If you can find the ones priced at $6, pick up two. Both will total $12. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 9 and you get $3 back, making both just $6 or $3 each. The next deal I have is on Select Advil. They're on sale for $10.99 and when you buy two, you get $5 register reward. Pick up two. Both will total $21.99. According to the Flip app, it's showing $2, but check your app because we currently have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $15.99 and you get $5 register reward, which will make both Advils just $10.99 or $5.50 each. The next deal I have is on Pampers diapers. They're on sale for 2 for $21 and they are part of the buy two get $4 register reward. Pick up two. We currently have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 19 and you get $4 register reward, making both just $14 or $7 each. Next deal I have is buy two get $3 register reward and Angel Soft and Quilted Northern Bad Tissue are part of this deal. And they're on sale for $6.99. Pick up one of each. These two will total $13.98. We have a dollar coupon for the Angel Soft and we also have a dollar coupon for the Quilted Northern. After the coupons, it will drop it down to $11.98 and you get $3 register reward back, making both just $8.98 or $4.49 each. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $1 for the Angel Soft. But I noticed that my offer will expire in a day and I'm recording this video on Thursday. So that means by Saturday the offer will be gone. So check yours, hopefully you have it, then redeem it if you do this deal. The next deal I'm sharing will be a back to school deal and it's spend 20 get $5 register reward. I didn't put anything together because it would depend on what you need and what your store have. And also check Ibotta to see if you can find any offers. If you need the Walgreen or complete home food storage bags, they are back on sale for buy one get two free and they're on sale for $2.79. Pick up 3. You only pay $2.79 for all 3 or 93 cents each. The next item I have here is not giving back register reward or Walgreen cash. That will be the nice nuts. They're on sale for $2.98 in case you need a filler item or you have extra Walgreen cash to spend. Next deal I have is not giving back register reward or Walgreen cash and that will be on Febreze Air. They're on sale for 4 for $10, but there are other items included in this deal. And that will be Dawn, Gain, or Mr. Clean. Pick up 4 and use 2 of the BOGO coupons we received in 7/7 savings search. And the max value on the coupon is $3.30, which will take off $6.60, dropping it down to $3.40 for all 4, or 85 cents each. The next deal I have will be on Coca-Cola products or Dr. Peppers. They're on sale for 3 for $14.99. Pick up 3 12 packs, pay the $14.99, making each one just $5. The last deal I have in this video will be the 12-pack Canada Dry products. They're on sale for 3 for $13.99. Pick up 3 packs, pay the $13.99, and that will make each 12-pack just $4.66. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.